Hi guys, thank you for watching, and in this video we are gonna learn circles and some arcs. So let's go into the part environment and let's go to a fundamental plane and let's start sketching. So the first thing is, like, as you are into the sketch tab menu, so you can go into the ribbon section, and into the ribbon section you can see there is an option for circles. And if I'm gonna go into the drop down menu, you can see we have an option for two different kind of circles. The first one is simple circle, and the second is perimeter circle. So let's start with the simple circle. So wherever you want to start your circle, first thing you need to click there, and then you need to drag your mouse as far as you want, or whatever the radius you want. So as you can see, there is a value of the radius which is attached to my cursor. So wherever I'm gonna go, so it is just letting me know the radius of the circle. So at what radius I want to have my circle, so I can just click second time there. So in this way I would get my circle. Okay, so this is the first thing, and you can see, like, right now still the command is on, so that's why with my cursor the circle command is on. So wherever I'm gonna click again, it's gonna start, and until where I want to drag it, so I can drag and I can create my second circle. Okay, so there is another point. So if you want, you can just change the circle type. You can see, like, this is the circle, which is the two click circle, and then you can just change the type between these two circles. You can just click on here, and then what I can do is you can just move from here, or you can go back, exit the sketch, and then you can go back into the circle, and then you can take the perimeter circle, which is 3-point circle. Look at that, it is automatically selected here. So for this, what I need to do is I just need to choose three different points. The first point, then the second point. So these are the 2 points, and now I need to choose the third point wherever I want to have my circle diameter. So suppose I want to have till here. So in this way I can create my circle. So another option which is really good, so what you can do is you can add any relation. So you can fix it. So you can fix this in the space. So although you did not provide any dimension, so but this is already fixed into the space. So this is fixed, that's why it is fully defined, and that's why it's gonna convert into the black, because this is fully defined. So in this way you can create different kind of circles. So let's go into the arcs. So under the circle, into the ribbon section, there is an option for different kind of arcs, and if I'm gonna go into the drop down menu, you can see there is center point arc, there is tangent arc, and there is 3-point arc. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you. So let's start with the center point. So what you need to do is, like, you can just start from the center. So to draw a arc, you need a center, like a circle, and then this is my center, and then how far I want to go. Suppose I want to go till here. This is my point, and now I can draw my arc wherever I want. So this was my center point, this is my first point, and now this is the point where I can drag as much as the arc I want. So right now this is the value of A. So what is the value of A? You can just see around the cursor, you can have value, whatever the value you want. Or if you are going to click that, so you can see there is an option. Here you can change the value of A. So how long the arc do you want? So it is going to be start from the center, and this is the length of the arc, which is called A. It is 50 now. Let's say I want to have 60. So I can just click it. So look at that. It's going to move till the 60. So my command was on. I just pressed the escape key on my keyboard. So I am out of command now. So in this way I can create my center point arc. Okay, let's go for the second one, which is tangent arc. So for the tangent arc, you need a point here where you want to have a tangent. Let's say I want to draw a line here. I can draw a line, and now I want to go and I want to draw a tangent arc. Suppose I want to take this point, so I want to draw arc from this. So this is a tangent of that point. So that's why it is called tangent arc. Or if you want to go into the opposite direction, you can go, or if you want to change the direction, so you can go again to the point, and then you can move your cursor anywhere. So in this way you can make your tangent arc. If I want to go this way, you need to go at that point, and then you can move. So if I want to start from this side, look at that, I can go on to my point, and then I can create my arc like this. Or if you want to, you are still into the command, so you can press escape on your keyboard, and in this way you are out of the command. Okay, let's see the last one, which is 3-point arc. So this is the 3-point arc. For what you need to do is, like, you need to select 3 point, first point, second point, and then the third point. So 2 points and the first third point wherever you want to draw. Suppose I want to draw it here, and still after that what you can do is you can create some different arcs, or if you want to go out of the command, so you can press the escape key and then you can move. Okay, when you are out of the command, so the next thing what you can do is you can just drag this arc, you can change whatever the angle, or you can change the shape. So in this way you can control your arc. So this was third point or 3-point arc. Okay, there is one more interesting thing. So if you are gonna go into the tangent arc, so what you can do is you can start your tangent arc from anywhere. Suppose I want to start from this point, I can draw till here, and then if I want to start another, I can drag my mouse. If I want to go into another side, I can drag it like this, or if I want to change, I can go into the center point again. Suppose I want to go in this side again, and then in this way what you can do is you can have a multiple kind of arcs, and you can create your own design in whatever shape do you want. So in this way you can control arc. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.